Hey everyone, I've got this hand-carved coffee table here, and during moving it, I broke one of the legs off. This thing's about 3 generations old, so I was absolutely heartbroken when I had figured out that I broke it. And so, gotta fix it. The leg looks like it'll go back in there. It was kind of a clean break. I mean, it's jagged, however, it was a clean break in that there wasn't a whole bunch of other pieces that came off, so I stuck it back together, and I think I'll be able to repair it well with this Gorilla Glue. And so I'm giving it a go, putting a healthy coat of Gorilla Glue all over it. And then I'm using just hand compression to push it back together. There really wasn't a heck of a good way to secure it. If I absolutely had to, I could have rigged some clamps to it, both above and below the break, and then tried to pull those clamps together with some other clamps. But in this case, I was able to make the repair just with the glue alone and then some pressure onto the leg. What I did is I took a damp paper towel too, after pushing it together really good. You know, it pushes the glue, the excess glue out of the joint, and so I just took a damp paper towel and wiped that off. And even after it dried, I put another layer, another coat of glue kind of around the joint as well, just for stability purposes. I didn't really need to do that. The other legs don't have it, but due to the fact that it was broken and I'm here working on the thing, I'll figure I'll just put some more glue around there, and it ended up drying really nice. I was worried about any discoloration, so I just went with the clear glue, hoping that it would dry clear, and it actually turned out really good. And in the end, you couldn't even tell that it was ever broken unless you really look close, just due to the design of the table. I let the glue dry overnight and came out the next day and found that it worked like a charm. No discoloration. It's very sturdy and strong, almost like it was never broken in the first place. So very happy with this fix. Thanks, Gorilla Glue. Thanks for watching, everybody.